I'm student 1B.
And hi everyone, my name is Francesca Kate and I'm with PSH.
We are
We are
finding
finding
things
things
A
from
to
A
Z
to Z
and
and
spell
spell
them
them
in
in
phonetics.
phonetics.
A for Alice, Alpha Romeo, November, India, Sierra. B for Basket, Bravo, Alpha, Sierra, Kilo, Echo, Tango. Cup, Charlie, Alpha, Papa. D for Dumbbells, Delta, Uniform, Mama, Bravo, Echo, Lima, Lima, Sierra. E for Earphone, Echo Alpha Romeo Papa Hotel Oscar November Echo Sierra. F for flowers, Foxtrot India Oscar Whiskey Echo Romeo. G for glove, Golf Lima Oscar Victor Echo. H for host, Hotel Oscar Sierra Echo.
I for ice cream. India, Charlie, Echo, Charlie, Romeo, Echo, Alpha,
J for Johnson, Juliet Oscar Hotel November Sierra Oscar November Sierra. K for Kojak, Kilo Oscar Juliet India Charlie. L for Lion, Lima India Oscar November.
Sushi Dicer.
For Mirror, Mama India Romeo Romeo Oscar Romeo. N for Nan, Nancy Echo Tango. O for Audio, Oscar Juliet Oscar. P for Padlock, Papa Alpha Delta Lima Oscar Charlie Kilo. Q for Q-Man, Cubic Mama Alpha November. R for Royal, Romeo Oscar Yankee Alpha Lima. S for Sunglass, Sarah Uniform November Golf Lima Alpha Sarah Sarah. T for Towel, Tango Oscar Whiskey Echo Lima. U for Umbrella, Uniform Mama Bravo Romeo Echo Lima Lima Alpha. V for Vase, Victor Alpha Sierra Echo. W for Wallet, Whiskey Alpha Lima Lima Echo Tango. X for Xylophone, X-Ray Yankee Lima Oscar Papa Hotel Oscar Nancy Echo. Y for YOU, Yankee Oscar Uniform. C for Zebra, Solo Echo Bravo Romeo Alpha.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.